And Wall Street finished sharply lower on Monday as investors considered more signs of economic weakness. Now, the bad news includes a huge round of layoffs in the financial sector, with Citigroup announcing plans to cut 50,000 jobs. Gui Xiaozheng has more.
After a turbulent week that sent the Dow Jones Industrials down nearly 340 points, investors found little solace in the latest news. Stocks zigzagged throughout the session, finally giving way to a stream of late-day selling that left the Dow Jones lower by 223 points. In a signal that banks are still struggling in the wake of massive losses tied to bad mortgage debt, Citigroup is cutting another 53,000 jobs in the coming quarters. The company also plans to lower expenses by about 20% and has already reduced its assets by more than 20% since the first quarter of this year. Citi's leaders may also go without bonuses this year that would effectively amount to a substantial pay cut for the company's executives.
I was expecting it, but I thought I was lucky that I didn't go to work for Lehman Brothers when I had the opportunity. But I thought it was Citigroup's kind of made it,
Analysts believe the market is still searching for a bottom after last month's huge losses, and the pattern of volatility will continue for some time.
Well, because the market ended up down pretty sharply even before the Citi news came out, certainly there was a whisper as of last Friday. I don't really think that it added a lot of positive news to it. I think it just gave additional reason for investors to feel that maybe today would not be a positive day. I would tend to say that the industrial production numbers ended up being much more of a surprise to the market and allowed it at least not to go down as much as it could have.
The fallout from this year's global credit crisis has claimed jobs on all corners of Wall Street. Some industry experts forecast job losses could come close to 200,000 before this year is over. Gui Xiaozheng, CCTV.